Welcome back to the demo tutorials of Child Journal. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Lessons feature on the web app. Start by locating your dashboard and click on Planning. Then, locate the Lessons option from the drop-down. You should have been directed to the Curriculum page where you can see a list of subjects, a Select Room drop-down, as well as a list of lessons that have already been created, and a Create Lesson and Create Subject button. Start by creating a subject by clicking the green Create Subject button first. You should have been directed to a new window where you can select the room you're creating the subject for and an option to add a subject name. You should then see your added subject in the subject list. Now, continue by creating a lesson by selecting the blue Create Lesson button. In this window, you should see different selections that help you create a lesson. Start by selecting the room you're going to present the lesson to, the subject, and the lesson time. Then, choose a lesson title and input the lesson description. Finally, you can select to save and continue, which will take you to the lessons list, or choose Save and Add New to keep you in the same page to create additional lessons. Once you've created your lesson, you should be able to see it listed with the other lessons. You can also choose to edit or delete your lessons if you find the need to, and you can make edits to your created subjects for any needed modifications. You have now finished understanding the Lessons feature on the web app. Don't forget to check out the rest of our demo videos for any future help.